My video guide is about removing the ransomware called ErrorWindows. This is the ransomware that encrypts files and damages the files considerably. My video is only for the educational purposes. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. In the video I will show you the negative impact of this ransomware. Now, before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this ErrorWindows ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware reveals this ransom note. I guess it is in the Russian language. It doesn't matter what language it is formalized in. But the ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom. Paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, so don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. I recommend that you remove this ransomware urgently with the help of reliable antivirus software such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get Combo Cleaner on the page combocleaner.com, and you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download it, install the program, and once it is successfully installed, start researching your system. Click on Start Scan button. The software will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. When you click on Start Scan button, the program begins scanning, researching, and investigating the system. Please pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware, which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt the files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to Premium. With Premium license, your files would always be protected against all other possible ransomware or malware attacks. In the description to the video, please find a special link which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.